So we've got part D, and the question I asked in part D was as follows. Okay, that in the asset rotation strategy, cash equity is split into two classes. Minority investors get 49%, EDP retains 51%. If the minority investors target an IRR of 6%, what would be the anticipated proceeds of the selling to minorities? Again, they're going to assume that the $240 million is supplied by the tax equity investors, and it will look like this. And the whole idea here is that we just take the sponsors' equity cash flows that we had from question C, part C, and that's just exactly what we had. The minority investors basically wind up getting 49% of this cash flow. So this times 0.49 is just, okay, I'm going to begin here. And so now let's look at what how that cash equity gets split up between the two, all right? So in looking at this, again, I know this is small, but the Excel file is there. And so the idea here is that this is what we had from the question related to the sheet 14C, which I have labeled there, Exhibit 14C. And this is 51%. And this is 49%. So each one of these flows is all right, let's look at the cash flows. And in this particular case, what we start with is this is the total equity cash flows. In other words, that is just, okay, this, okay, minus this. Okay, that's just that. That's what flows to equity after the tax equity investors get. This is 51%, and this is 49%. All right, and basically, if we look at this, we wind up from the point of view of the minority cash flow investors, present valuing all of those cash flows here at 6%, what they should be willing to pay is approximately $95 million for that set of promised cash flows. All right. Now,